Here are 7 signs that indicate you should start studying right now. 1. Your time is being wasted and you feel guilty about it. Sign. Whenever you use your phone, a voice inside you says, I should have been studying. 2. You feel jealous or sad seeing others move forward. Sign. This isn't jealousy, it's the cry of your hidden potential. 3. You promised yourself, I'll start tomorrow, and that tomorrow has long passed. Sign. Your mind is now telling you the truth. If not now, then when? 4. You get excited thinking about a big dream, but the action is zero. Sign. Dreams are not just for seeing, you have to wake up for them. 5. Your future is asking you, what are you doing for me? Sign. Every unproductive day is pushing your bright future into darkness. 6. You are close to an exam or goal, but you haven't gotten serious yet. Sign. This is the time to break out of your comfort zone, otherwise regret will write your result. 7. A voice inside you says every day, you can do it, and you are ignoring it. Sign. That voice is from Allah as a sign. Act upon it.